Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, as we head into Friday here, a couple of key dynamics are really close to potentially happening. I thought one was maybe going to happen today, but it never did. And that first key dynamic is in regards to this green line here, which I've talked about in past videos I've done on this. But 113, one of those areas where this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. Anybody that uses charts, understands charts, has taken notice of that level and is watching, because this is just all based on foundational technical analysis, was an area of resistance when it was broken right there, acted as support. And then even earlier today late day on Wednesday, and then earlier today, price got somewhere around that area. Point here being that's a very kind of historic level. And I bring all that up about not having, this is not some sort of great discovery, because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have right here. So you better believe both longs and shorts, everybody's going to be watching that 113 mark, especially right now when that pink line here has worked its way up there, that being the 200 period moving average. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1 right now, that much more important of a technical level. So 113 going to be an area where, like I said, long, shorts, everybody going to be watching, wondering, can that area hold? And the reason why it's so interesting is if that level does fail to the downside, well, I'm not saying it's, flushing right down to the 108 mark, but that is the next big technical area. So you look through here through the history of the chart, and yeah, there's still plenty of wiggle room for the price to allow for a good variety of different trade plans to be put into place. But again, it all revolves around that 113 mark and whether or not it holds up or fails. On the flip side of things, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, keep an eye on that purple line going forward. The 50-period moving average currently valued at 119.50. But like I said, for me, I'm very curious about that 113 mark, so let's see if it comes into play or not on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.